Before carrying out any repairs or maintenance to the Dosatron, turn off the water supply and allow the pressure to drop. If there are taps on both sides, turn off the inlet tap first. If the solution tank is backfilling, so the level is increasing rather than decreasing, this is caused by wear, damage or contamination in the check valve assembly. Here's how we inspect the check valve assembly for wear or damage.
Undo the nut at the base of the black sleeve and allow it to drop down. Hold on to the two clear collets and gently slide the dose tube out of the black sleeve. Remove the two clear collets and take the large nut off the dose tube. Unscrew the smaller nut at the other end of the dose tube. Remove the hose barb. Using the handle end of a long screwdriver or something similar, gently tap the check valve from out the bottom of the dose tube. And then remove the two seals, the second seal being on the top of the hose nozzle. Check these two surfaces. There's one on this component and another one on this component. The gridded surface that the seal sits on, you need to check that for wear or damage, or if there's any contamination, they need to be thoroughly cleaned. You can then proceed to fitting the new seal over the nipple. Make sure that the seal locates into the groove at the bottom of the nipple, on the nozzle and on the check valve itself. Just gently rotate the seal on both components and that will indicate to you that the seal is located correctly. You can then proceed to assemble the components back into the dose tube. Check valve first, the seal to the top, facing the top of the dose tube, then refit the hose barb, the small black nut screws on, hand tight only, the large black nut then slides over the dose tube, and then position the two clear collets. The black line indicates the dose rate, so just line that up with your required dose rate, slide the nut up over the top, and then you can reassemble it into the black sleeve at the base of the Dosatron. Retighten the nut.
After you've carried out your repairs, make sure that there's a good airtight seal when you reattach the suction hose onto the hose barb at the bottom of the Dosatron. When you turn the water supply back on, open the outlet tap first, then open the inlet tap slowly and allow the pressure to build. This avoids sudden pressure buildup that can cause a water hammer condition that damages the pump.